Hello friends, welcome to this new tutorial video. I am Richard Reyes, CEO of NLink IT. Let's get started. Today we'll be discussing what QoS, or quality of service, is. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. QoS is used to improve the performance of a data network. Quality of service is crucial to ensure all network traffic flows in an organized manner within the available bandwidth. Take a look at the following image. It shows a level of traffic organization. The most important thing we can do with QoS is prioritize services that are more sensitive. To configure QoS on a MikroTik router, you need to work with the mangle section to mark connections. You then use that mark to tag packets. Following this, in the Q3 section you use the packet mark to assign the appropriate priority to that type of traffic. This may sound more complex than it really is, but in this video and the upcoming ones I'll explain it step by step. We'll start by prioritizing the ICMP protocol. Mainly used for pings. For this we have a basic configuration in our router. We have a 400 Mbps WAN and a LAN, which in this case is Ether 5 on my router. My PC is connected to this port. We go to IP firewall, work in the mangle section, and click the plus sign in the general tab. Chain pre-routing, protocol ICMP, action mark connection. Here we will mark the connection as new connection mark, and this is the name we will give to that connection, icmp.com. The pass-through should be enabled. Apply, OK. Click the plus sign again. Go to the General tab, Chain Pre-routing, in Interface, LAN, connection mark ICMP, action mark packet, new packet mark ICMPAP, and disable the pass-through. It's important to disable it. Now we repeat the process, but this time using the WAN interface and marking the packet as ICMP down. And again disable the pass-through. Apply and OK. Now we go to queues, click plus. Name down total. Parent LAN. Queue type, select PCQ. Download default, priority 1. Limit at 400 Mbps. Remember, this is the total download bandwidth I currently have. Max limit 400 Mbps as well. Apply and OK. Next, we'll create the parent queue for upload. You can set the parent to global if you have multiple WAN connections or load balancing, segmentation, etc. Queue type PCQ upload default. Priority 1. Limit at 25 Mbps, which is the total upload bandwidth I currently have. Max limit 25 Mbps, apply and OK. Let's continue.
Click plus. Parent, down total, packet marks. It can down. You can copy this to name the queue. Queue type default. Priority 1. We won't touch the limit F for now. Max limit 400 megabits per second. This completes the prioritization for ICMP protocol downloads. Now, I have to repeat the process for uploads. So I click the plus sign. Parent, upload total, packet marks, a CMP app. You can even copy these packet marks to name the queue. Queue type default. Priority 1. We won't touch the limit F for now. Max limit 25 megabits per second. Now, we just need to verify that the process was done correctly. We can check the IP address of my router's LAN interface, which is 192.168.9.x. So, from my PC's command prompt, we ping that IP address. Notice that immediately, the LAN interface marks the 4 packets generated by the previous ping command based on the packet marks. We'll repeat the test, but this time we'll analyze what happens in Q3. Ping 192.168.9.x in 10 repetitions. And we'll add a payload of 20,000 to show the traffic generated by this ping. We're getting approximately 120 kbps, which is being marked in the upload. This is completely in line with the configuration we've done so far. We'll continue prioritizing more sensitive applications and services in the upcoming videos. If this QoS tutorial was helpful, give it a like and share it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.